Peter is a senior manager at a leading firm. Employee training is a part of his regular activities in his organization. He trains hundreds of employees every year. Lately, Peter has been unhappy with the training software he's been using. It's a locally installed software, making it hard for him to train across multiple locations in his mobile-enabled workforce. It's expensive and hard to maintain, and Peter finds himself constantly struggling with the software. All this takes away valuable time from the more important task of training employees. Peter was frustrated, and he started looking for a better solution. He had heard a lot about Cloud-Based LMS, or Learning Management System, and he decided to give it a try. The result was amazing. Peter's new system is cloud-based, which means there is no software to download, install, and maintain. New updates happen auto-magically, and his employees can now access it from any location and on any device. Switching to a cloud-based LMS solution is a game-changing experience for Peter and his organization. It cuts down training costs and makes it easier for him to create and administer online courses to individuals, teams, and departments. The most striking benefit of the cloud-based LMS is it makes online course creation simple and easy. Peter can create online training courses in minutes and share them with learners all over the world. Peter loves that the Cloud LMS works perfectly regardless of the number of learners. He also enjoys the additional benefits of online classrooms, personalized learning paths, instant assessment results, learner reports, completion certificates, and more. Sending a training course to hundreds of employees is now just a click. As a result of his decision to adopt a cloud-based LMS, Peter now gets more done and trains more people than ever before. He gets everything he needs to conduct employee training in an easy-to-use software that costs nothing to maintain. He is now able to deploy training more quickly. Are you ready to try cloud-based LMS? Sign up free with ProProfs Training Maker today to get started. We're here to help if you need us. We have live chat, phone help, and a huge knowledge base, so it's easy to get started.